Stop calling things beginner tools just because they actually work the way they are supposed to. For years, the tech world has looked down its nose at the Cinnamon desktop like it is some kind of training wheels for people who are afraid of a terminal window. It is time to call out that lie for exactly what it is. This desktop did not start as a safe choice. It started as a literal act of rebellion against the minimalist trend that was stripping features away from users left and right. When the big names in the industry decided that your computer should look like a giant smartphone, a group of developers basically said no thanks. They built something that kept the power in the hands of the user. Now, millions of people are using it every day, and they are not just beginners. They are people who want their hardware to actually perform. Let us talk about the speed for a second, because this is where the experts get it wrong. We are seeing major code updates that have slashed memory usage. The latest versions load up nearly 20% faster on the exact same hardware you already own. That is not just a minor tweak. That is a massive overhaul of how the system handles resources. You get a compositor that actually draws windows correctly without those annoying jagged lines tearing across your screen. Everyone points to the taskbar and the start menu and calls it a clone of old school systems. They are missing the point entirely. Under the hood, this thing is a modular powerhouse. You can take the entire layout and flip it into a perfect replica of a high-end fruit-themed laptop interface without ever touching a line of code or hunting for buggy third-party extensions. They call them spices, and they let you stack widgets and panels however you want. It is deep. It is fast. It is incredibly stable, but it is not perfect. If you are trying to use this on a tablet or a laptop with a heavy focus on touch gestures, you are going to have a bad time. The support for three-finger swipes and smooth touch interactions is basically non-existent. It is a desktop for people who use a mouse and a keyboard to get real work done. That is the trade-off. You trade those flashy tablet gestures for a system that does not break every time you try to change your wallpaper. The Linux community loves to make things complicated just for the sake of feeling smart. They want you to spend 3 hours in a configuration file just to make your windows look right. This system skips that nonsense. It scales with you. It stays out of your way. If you are tired of the extension rabbit holes and the constant tinkering, you might realize that the easy choice was actually the power move all along. I dig through the hype to find what actually works when you stop reading the spec sheets and start using the software. If this helped you find your next setup, check the links to help keep this independent investigation going. You can use the shop links for anything from new gear to basic groceries, and it helps fund these deep dives. Trust me, the big retail giants will not even notice a few pennies are missing. It is the easiest way to support the channel without spending extra money. Stop following the crowd and start questioning the labels they put on your tools. I will see you in the next investigation where we figure out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive garbage with good marketing.